guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marissa here. Just slightly dying.
All it's spring, like everything is new. The sun.
Anyways, hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. Today is December 1st, which means today is the first technical day of Vlogmas, and today also is my birthday, so I am 19 today, and I've had a long day. I just got back to college from Thanksgiving break. Also, fun fact, sorry about the lighting, I had to leave my ring light home because I just didn't really think I would need it for this week and a half-ish that I am here again. So I am going to be attempting Vlogmas. It's gonna be kind of crazy because, fun fact, I also went to the doctor's on my birthday today and I have bronchitis, so that is really fun. I've literally been sick for a month now. It's really annoying, but it is finally Christmas time, and that means it is finally acceptable to Christmas decorating. And also, my friends were super sweet and decorated the dorm for me. A really fun birthday weekend though, in general. I went to go see Les Mis yesterday with my mom and had a really nice day in Pittsburgh, in the city. I think to kind of de-stress and kind of celebrate my birthday a little bit, I want to decorate for Christmas. So for my birthday, a lot of my family gave me really cute Christmas decorations to put in my room. So I'm going to show you guys what they gave me. So kind of a little mini birthday haul, kind of a Christmas decor haul. I don't really know. I'll show you guys what they got me, and then show you guys how I decorate my room with it. So let's go. The first thing I got is this really cute pillow from a boutique back home, and it's just really cute. I saw it in a couple other stores, but it was really expensive, and it's super hard to find all gray things to actually go with my dorm. So I got this. I think it's really cute and I'm really excited to use it. So it's really cute Merry Christmas sign, and that lights up. I think better. Yeah, it's super cute and fun, and I just love Christmas, so I'm very excited to decorate. So yeah, I got that. Also got, for my roommate and me both, little stockings to hang up in here. I don't know where I'm gonna put these or what we're gonna do with them. I put them by the door maybe, but super cute. Then I got some cute little things up on my windowsill. So I dropped a snowman. Little tinsel Christmas tree, because there's not really a lot of room in here for my actual tree. At home I have the most adorable tree that I love so much, but I can't bring it here because there's no room. But hopefully next year I can have my tree, but I have this one for right now. So yeah, it's also a little party hat. Woo! Super cute little snowman from my mom as well. Really cute. It was also so hard for her to find gray thing. I mean, this really cute snowball thing. I might actually hang it up. I don't know, just really fun, super decorative. A little snowball bucket thing. A lot of the stuff is also for winter too, so it's kind of decorating for winter and Christmas. Also got this really cute little snow sign. It's so adorable and I can't wait to hang it up. So my grandma also got me another little light up Christmas tree. I'm gonna see where I can put it and have room for it, but yeah, so I am going to go ahead and decorate now.
Okay, hi again you guys. So I decorated my stuff. Here's my Ashley.
Hi.
She decorated the whole room for me, her and our friend Allie. It's so cute. I don't know if I showed you guys it or not already. Put up my Christmas decorations and just put me in a better mood, and yeah, I'm very happy about it. So I really like how I did it. I have a little sign there too, and I have my little Christmas tree there. And then we have these little stockings too, but we're gonna hang them up later. And then we need to update our board outside too. So yeah. Oh, and then Ashley got me the cutest little stuff for my birthday, mini birthday haul. She got me the cutest little scrunchies, and fun fact, I almost bought a top, that had this exact pattern, but then I didn't, and I'm kind of bothered that I didn't now, because, that would have been a look. And then she got me these really cute, fuzzy, flannel aloe socks. I love, I thought you were recording me for a second. I love socks, and I'm very excited about it. Then she got me this cute little M. Look how adorable this is. I think I might put this, up on my desk, in front of my thing. We're gonna put her there now. Yeah, I just want to see how that looks. Oh, that looks so cute, and it fits. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Please ignore me. But, yeah, sorry I suck at vlogging. I don't know how this is gonna work, with, finals and life. I might just, show you guys, how I'm studying and, what I'm doing. But, yeah, we're gonna try and attempt. I just can't promise how that's gonna go. The problem was I was going to like pre-film for Vlogmas, but then like I got sick this weekend too, and like I just needed to take like time for myself to like relax and kind of have a break. But yeah. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video. I'm gonna finish getting situated. My room is a little messy right now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. I'm so annoying. I need to act like a 19-year-old. Bye.